It was pure coincidence that daughter Beth's family was staying with her friend Katrina at North Lake Tahoe when we were returning from Oregon. Thank you, Katrina, for letting us park the RV in your driveway.
I'm gonna start, like, are you taking that potato salad for lunch?
No, I wasn't planning on it.
We have a 5-mile float lined up for you guys today. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to get down to the bottom, give or take how hard you're paddling, if you're paddling at all. We don't
3-hour tour. Oh my God. That is so funny.
Do you guys know we're going with the flow?
Ew. Yeah. Ew, it's gonna fall. Mimi, on brand. It fell. It fell.
That's right through these branches.
Okay. Oh, you got it?
So much for not getting a hair wet.
I said that's how you get your hair wet. Yep. I know.
Dive in. You got it.
Oh.
I can't believe she did that. Are you okay?
Well, this is not good. Oh. I'm on a rock. Got thrown out of the boat. And I just lost the oar.
Are you okay? Come here. Feet first. Feet first.
Feet are
You're all right.
There's no more rocks. Swim over.
Yeah, you're good. Feet first.
Swim over. There's no more rocks.
You got to get over here.
Okay.
You're all right. Okay. It's okay. It's just a shoe. Come on. Come on. You got to get out of the current, Dad. Come over here. Are you all right? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm okay.
I told you to wear water shoes. It's okay. Let's not yell at him right now.
Yes.
Yeah, you. No, my dad's in the boat. He says he's okay, but now we're stuck on a rock. We're coming in.
Whoa. Whoa, we made it.
Wow.
Thank you, Raimi.
Made by catching
Thank you,
oar.
Beth.
No. What happened today, Jimbo?
Well, I got thrown out of the boat on this dumb rock in the middle of the Truckee River.
Yeah. How long were you out there for? You were telling people not to help you because you had help coming. Did the help ever come?
No,
The help.
So anyhow, glad to be back on the
On land. Happy Father's Day.
Oh,
Yeah.
belated Father's Day.
Yes.
You got a lot in that, don't you?
Can you eat that, Pepper?
No, no, we need it. One of the most spectacular bike rides is along the Tahoe East Shore Trail from Incline Village to Sand Harbor.
I forget which cove.
Sand Harbor.
Well, it's close somewhat to Sand Harbor. So we are on our bikes, but we locked them up above to take a little walk down here.
Oh, backwards. No, move backwards. And then we're gonna like, I don't know.
Yep. stay on your left here. We're at Spooner Lake, Nevada. Yeah, look at all the aspen. Looks like they've got some burn piles here, waiting for winter time. Well, we made it.